How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can add text to a 3D model in Creality Slicer. So basically, it's really easy to do this. In today's video, we are going to do this on two shapes so you can understand it better. For the first one, we'll use this specific primitive shape. And then for the second one, let's use something like a cylinder. Basically, to now add your text, the first thing that you want to do is to just make sure that you have selected your model. And basically from here, you then want to press on the P button. That's going to be the embossed function. Now you can also use or click this function right here, which is the embossed function. And then you can customize your text to whatever you want to. In our case, let's use something like example. Of course, you have your font right here. You have your height, depth, and more. So in our case, let's go ahead and customize our text the way we want to. So if you want to increase the depth, you can then adjust this by millimeters. You can do this same thing with the height. And then of course, if you use on the advanced option, we have additional options that we can configure. So in here, you have the ability to join the text for your shape, or you can also dig into it, which will then look something like this, or you can add it as a modifier. So in my case, I want the text to simply dig into my shape. So I'll select the cut option. And as you can see right here, it has cut this specific millimeter onto our shape. Now, let me show you on how you can do this for cylindrical shape like this one. So let's go ahead and click on our shape right here. And let's do the same one, which is to click on the embossed function. And as you can see, it is not wrapped around properly. And to do that, you can just head over to the advanced option. And from here, you want to make sure to click on the used surface. And from there, as you can see, it will now wrap around our cylinder shape right here. So let's once again increase the depth size. And then if you want to simply edit out the color, it's going to be extremely simple. Just double click on your text right here. And now this will be selected on object. You can simply right click on it, click on change filament, and then you want to click on the filament that you want to apply to your text. Now, before you do that, you also want to make sure that you have applied the multiple filaments onto your project, and basically that's how you do it. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.